People who are living in hilly region or high altitude region usually suffer from goiter. Goiter means swelling of neck due to enlargement of thyroid gland. This particular disease is called endemic disease because it is restricted to that particular area, hilly region or high altitude region, where the soil and water has a deficiency of iodine. Understand properly? Soil and water has deficiency of iodine. Therefore, the people living there usually suffer from this disease. But the people who change their place becomes normal, and normal people who come to high altitude region suffers from this disease. That means this particular disease called goiter is restricted to area. Therefore, it is called endemic disease. Understand? Now you can see that the people who are nearby the ocean region or sea region, they will never ever come across this kind of disease at all because soil and water is highly rich in iodine. Saying so, we will discuss about exercise 1.3 of arithmetic progression. Third main consists of 10 problems where certain values are given. With that, we need to find what is asked. First problem is, in an AP given A is equals to 5, D is equals to 3, AN is equals to 50, and what is asked to find is find N and Sn. N and Sn. Now, to find Sn or An, usually we need A, D and N. These three are the very important values to find Sn and An. So, our direction should always be whether we have A value or D value or N value. We have to keep on noticing that. If A, D and N value are not there, we have to see that first we will get N value and then very easily we get An value or Sn value. Understand? Now see, what is given is A is equals to 5, D is equals to 3 and An value is given. And we need to find N and Sn. We have nth term formula which says An is equals to, An is nth term, is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Just substitute the given value. A is equals to 5, D is equals to 3 and An is equals to 50. So that An is 50 is equals to A is 5 plus N minus 1, we have to find N value, into D is 3. 50 equals 5 plus 3 into N, 3N, minus 1 into 3, minus 3. 50 is equals to 5 minus 3. These two are the constant. Therefore, to be subtracted, 5 minus 3 is 2 plus 3n. In the next step, we will remove this plus 2. Therefore, add both sides by minus 2. Add minus 2 both the sides. So that 50 minus 2 we have added is equals to 2 plus 3n minus 2 we have added. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel up. 50 minus 2 is 48. Remaining 3n written as this. We don't want 3 times n, we want only n. So divide both the sides by 3 so that 48 becomes 48 by 3 is equals to 3n by 3. 3 gets cancelled up. 3 16 times 48. Therefore n is equals to 16. We got. What is asked is what is the n value or find the n value. N value we have got 16. Now we have A, D and N value we have found. It is very easy to find Sn. To find Sn value, either you should have A, D and N. To find Sn, either you should have A, D and Sn or A, N and An. These values are highly important to find the sum of n numbers. Sum of n terms. If you have A, D and N also you can find because Sn has two formula as you can observe here. an, a and d are the three unknown values. If you know these three unknown values, then you can easily find Sn. Or here d is not there. If you come to this formula, we can see that n, a and d. These are the three unknown values you should know so that Sn could be found. That is why it is said that a, d and n are a, n and an is required to find Sn. Now we have, you can see a, d and n value also. Therefore, you can use the first formula or a, n and an value also is there. Using both the formulas, you can find Sn. That is no issue at all. I am going to use Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus an formula. So that n we have got here, sum of 16 term it is now. So substitute here, Sn is nothing but S16. Sn becomes S16 is equals to n by 2. N value is 16. 16 by 2. A is already given 5 plus an is 50. An is 50 substituted here. So that S16 is equals to 16 by 2 is 8 into 5 plus 50 is 55. Now S16 is equals to 855 times 440. Thus we have got n and Sn value. N is 16. S16. Sn means here n value is 16. Therefore S16 is equals to 440. We have got n and S16 value. This is the first problem. Second problem, things given are a is equals to 7, a value is given, a13 is equals to 35, and what we need to find is d and S13. D and S13. Here n value is not given, but still it is given. As you can see that a13, 13th term is 35. 13th term is 35 means there are 13 terms. Therefore, we can directly write n is equals to 13. We have got a, n and a13. A13 is nothing but an value, nth term value. Therefore, a, n and a13 we have. Very easily we can find d. How? A13, you know that A13 is nothing but A plus 12D, which is equals to 35. A13 value is given, A13 is equals to 35. What is A13? A13 is A plus 12D. A13 is A plus 12D, which you know in the previous problems, A plus 12D, which is equals to 35. That's what given here. We are finding here D. To find D, we need A13 is equals to 35. A13 is equals to 35. A13 is A plus 12D is equals to 35. Where substitute for A is nothing but 7. Therefore, in place of A, we have written 7 plus 12D is equals to 35. 7 plus 12D is 35. We'll add minus 7 both the sides so that 7 can be eliminated. And after adding 7 plus 12D minus 7 is equals to 35 minus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 gets cancelled up. 12D remaining. 12D is equals to 35 minus 7 is 28. Now 12 times D is there. So divide both sides by 12. So that 12D by 12 is equals to 28 by 12. 12 gets cancelled up. D is equals to 28 can be written as 4 into 7. 4 7 times 28. 12 can be written as 4 into 3. 4 and 4 get cancelled up after factorization. What is remaining? 7 by 3. So D is equals to 7 by 3. What is asked in the second problem? What is the value of D? D value we have got 7 by 3. Next, what is asked? S13. S13 is a sum of 13 terms. As usual, we have both the values, that is A, D and N. We have A, D value we have found here, and N value is 13. We have, you can use this formula, or we have also got A, N and AN. AN and AN. AN value is also there. Therefore, you can use this formula also. Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus an. Now I am using last term formula, that is S sum of n terms is equals to n by 2 into a plus an. Now S13, because n value is 13 already given here, you have to find S13. So S13 is equals to n by 2 is 13 by 2 into what is a value? A value is 7 substituted here, plus what is A13? A13 is 35. Now S13 is equals to 13 by 2, 7 plus 35 is 42. Now S13 is equals to 221 times 221 times 42. Therefore S13 is equals to 13 into 21. 13 into 21 is 273. Thus we get S13 is equals to 273. Now see children, you are asked to find D and S13 value. D is 7 by 3, S13 is 273. Now we will enter into third problem where A12 is given. Since A12 is given, automatically you will get n is equals to 12. That means A12 is nothing but 12th term. 12th term is 37. Since the 12 is mentioned here, there are 12 terms, so n value is 12. D is given. As I was keep on telling you that A, D and N are the first priority. Here you can see that A is not there, but here it is asked to find A. With this data A12, D and N equals 12, we can easily find what is A. Now see here, A12 is equals to 37. A12 means A plus 11D is equals to what is there? 37. A plus 11. What is D? D is 3. Substitute here. This is 11D. 11D. Don't substitute in this way 11 and D in place of D 3 is it becomes 113. This is a wrong way of substitution. You have to maintain one bracket. Why you need to maintain one bracket? Because it is 11 times D. Therefore 11 times 3. A plus 11 into 3 is equals to 37. A plus 11 3 times 33 is equals to 37. Now to remove 33, add minus 33 both the side, so that A plus 33 minus 33 is equals to 37 minus 33. Minus 33 plus 33 gets cancelled, becomes A, and 37 minus 33 is 4. Thus you have got A is equals to 4. Now we have D value, N value and A value. It's very easy to find S12 value substituting in either of the formula. First, in both the way I have done here, Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D, where S12 is asked. S12 is equals to n is 12 by 2 into 2a. A is, we have found here 4 plus n is 12. 12 minus 1 is 11. D is 3. S12 is equals to 2 6 times 12, therefore 6, 2 4 times 8 plus 11 3 times 33. S12 is equals to 6, 8 plus 33 is 41. S12 is equals to 6, 41 times is 246. Thus we have got S12 is equals to 4, 246. S12 is equals to 246. What is asked? A and S12. A is 4, S12 is 246, and we have got all the solution, all the values, whatever is given. Now the same problem is given using another formula, that is Sn. Here we have used Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a into 2a plus n minus 1 to D. Here I am using Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus an. S12 is equals to n is 12 as usual, 12 by 2 plus a is 4 we have found, plus an value is already given 37, substituted. S12 is equals to 2 6 times is 12, so 6 written, 4 plus 37 is 41. S12 is equals to 641 times 246. As you can see in both the cases, whether use this formula or another formula, you will get the same answer, 246 and 246. Did you understand, children? So this is how 10 problems are there. We have solved 3 problems now. In the next video, rest of the 7 problems we will solve. Thank you, children.